Nigga X about me, nigga X about me, nigga X about me, nigga X about. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, homie. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, homie. Nigga X about me, nigga X about me. Nigga X about me. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, homie. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, homie. Nigga X about me, nigga X about me. Nigga X about me. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, homie. I'm a hustler. I'm a nigga X about me, nigga X about me.
Yeah.
Yo, man, it's your boy J-Bird, man. I do this, son. Y'all just came out the bank, man. Look. 100, yo. 100. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, man. 10, man. That's $1,000 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. Yo, that's another. Yo, I still got more 100, man. Yo, 2,500, man. 2,500, man. I'm about to pay for my school shit, man. Yo, I'm about to pay. I'm about to go Bursaw, right? To the school, right? I'm gonna be like, yo, I'm here to pay my tuition. They're gonna be like, what you gonna pay? Debit, cash, or credit, or check? I'm gonna be like, yo, on the red? I don't even have my checkbook right now. And my debit card not on me, so I'm gonna do is cash, yo. 2,500, man. I'm about to pay my tuition, yo. 2,500 for the phone, I'm about to pay my tuition. Yo, we out, yo. Yo, Obama, yo. Obama, I love you. But what's good with the price? Got Obama. Look at this tuition, man. This is half of my. This not even half of my tuition, man. My tuition $5,600, man. Mine tuition $2,500, man. And we out, man. Let's go, man. This is my car. This is my car, yo. This is my car. This is my car, yo. Yeah, man. I do this, man. J-Bird, man. And Prince, what's good? You recorded out? Yo, Prince on his doctor shit, man. Yo, we out, man.
Yeah, man.
And yo, we here, man. Yo, we here at the university, man. William Paterson University, man. Y'all just around here 30 minutes later, man. Y'all might pay this. Like, this not even half of my tuition bill, but you know, you feel me? Y'all does this, man. Yo, we here, man.
Hold up, pause.
Yeah, man, I'm about to pay my tuition bill, man. I came out the bank with this money, man. I can't just sign up for these hundreds. They really hundreds. They really hundreds. They really hundreds, man. What's going on, man?
Administration. Yo, bring the car over.
Man, I just got right in the rain, man. They said I couldn't pay my bill over there, so I'm here in Morrison Home. We're at Paterson University, about to pay this bill, man. I got these, son. Really, I'm about to pay this bill, yo. My man Alan, keep recording, man. Keep recording, man. You feel me? Feel me? Feel me? Man, come on, man. This Morrison Home right here, man. This nigga got the eat what?
How you doing?
Matter of fact, making money. This is just like school. Last minute thing. Today, the bills due today. I do my homework last minute too. J.R., I feel you, son. Under pressure, yo. I tell you, Sundays, right? I be doing my homework Sundays. This is last minute, yo. This is my whole life right here. I pay my bill the last minute. Yo, it's your boy J-Bird, man. We end the video right now here at William Paterson University, man. Just paid my tuition fully, so I'm set to go for the fall semester, man. And that's how we end the video, man. We out, man. Yo, let me pay my respect, man. Let me get my shout out game up, man. Yo, shout out to my man Alan right here. Prince, what's good? Shout you out. You know, you already know, man. J-Bird, man, goes to that party. That's the name. Yo, shout out to the Goose Boys, man. Shout out to Old Meth, man. FNF was good. LPB, you know what it is, man. Yo, shout out to the whole William Paterson University, man. We here. We here, man. That's how we do it, man. Feel me?
Nigga X about me, nigga X about me, nigga X about me, nigga X.